No way, I didn't. Did I copy and paste it? Okay, I can do it. Why did it Coke? What the hell? I got sent somewhere else, not what the heck? Oh my god. That's so unfortunate. Not only I'm lagging. Oh boy. Oh boy. Mm, mm. Wait, this is a different Spectre, right? Uh, yeah, you can upgrade it. You didn't know? You can check on the shop. You can check on shop. It's because you haven't died that much. So yeah. No, we've been. Haven't you not died yet? Hmm. Weird. I didn't know. I was getting something. Hideout. It's not much of a hideout now since people know it. Hmm. I forgot to change my settings. Oh my god. Why do we have two of the same thing again? What? We did, didn't we? Oh. Hmm. I'll be quiet. This round, this time. Why the hell is... Why is everything on the floor? BRB. Okay, okay. We won't. So, what do you want to talk about? Why me? You're the one who starts it. Hmm, sure. It's not. Not. It is not true. It is not. You do not want to believe me? It is true. You start it, and I just continue it. Yeah, you start it, so it's your fault. Wait. Why is there only 30 seconds on the peace timer, man? That's too much. Jesus. I hate you. I hate you. Oh my god. I don't think you would. I don't think. It's not. It's. Should. Should we just start? Do we have the key? It's. It's. It's this again. Oh boy. Didn't we die here last time? Don't die, says the person who dies every time. It's in this room again? I swear if this keyboard's... It's hunting, I'm gonna die. It's not in the entrance, so I'm good. It's not near me. Hmm. Is it? Cool. It would be. I was trying to keep quiet, so... Oh my god. Hi. You... I had it. I see it. I should not be freaking this loud in the morning. No, this TV. It's it's fine. Don't turn it up. You might anger the ghost who's watching the television. Did you turn it on? I walked through you. There's two goggles, so what happened? Hey there, let's play billiard. It's not behind you. What? That way you died, no way. Wait, wait, you're the last person for the first time. You're the last person for the first time in these days. I'm not. Which not? Is the time when... Yeah. Even your cat thinks you're crazy. Even your cat. Isn't. Wait, Mittens. That's a common name for a cat. If it's a demon, it will. And it ate the crucifix, it won't hunt ever again. Like last time, didn't it, Val? Oh, come on. I see you. I'm at your dead body. Do you see my shirt is red? Is my is my shirt red? I see you. This? Do you see this? Yeah, I'm at your dead body. Look. Ruli, do you see me? Do you see me? See? What the hell am I hearing? Do not drop the EMF. Oh, I'm gonna guess a swung. No. for for other reasons. Fingerprint. Da-da-da-da. Did you see ghost orbs? I didn't. I didn't use the ghost box. I will block you. Block your body. My body? Oh, it's at Valve's body. Oh. Mm. Wait, did you actually took a photo? I see mine and I see Val. Val? That's Val's head. What the hell? I hear something. A music or a cry. You took a picture of the floor. What do you mean? Eh, no, you didn't. You didn't. The game wants you to die, so get in and get out. Where are you? Do you want to survive or do you want to die? What's wrong with your arm? What the that arm of yours? New language, gibberish. Founder, Ruli. Ano ba yan? Listen. No. Ayoko. Bakit ako ganito? Smile kapag nakikita mo to. Please, wag mong wag mong i-translate to. Anyways. The side eye of the cat. compels you. Meow, 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 meow. And it argues back. Oh, this thing is on, so that's why. There's two things on, the music box and the TV. Do you just want to appear behind Drooly? It would be a great. Oh, come on. At least guess the ghost. What? It's not gonna be the Enshi now. Imagine it's Mare and I didn't pick it. I don't know if it's a demon. Maybe it is. Is it a demon or a mare? Could you end around? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, stop now. We are not ghosts now. Sad. Whenever we're ghosts, we're gonna do that. It was a swamp. I was right. I was.